Hi guys, today I'm back with another very easy nail art tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to create these beautiful cloud nail art. Now let's get started. First, I will be applying a base coat. All the products I have used in this tutorial will be listed in the description box below. Next, I will be applying the base color. I'm using a blue color in this case. You need to apply 2 coats of the base color. Now I will take a dotting tool and my white nail paint and create small dots to make a cloud design like so. Now after everything dries up, I will be applying a glossy top coat. And you're done. Try this nail art to see how super easy and convenient this is. And if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more fun videos. With this, I will be signing off today. Until we meet next time, take care and bye-bye.